Imagine a phone that unfolds not once, but twice. Introducing the all-new Samsung Galaxy Z Trifold, the future of smartphones that's about to flip your imagination inside out. Just when we thought foldables had reached their peak, Samsung decided to take innovation to a whole new level. The Z Trifold is designed to shock the tech world with a mesmerizing triple-fold display that transforms from a compact phone into a full-size tablet in seconds. This is not just a smartphone. It's a portable workstation, a gaming beast, and a cinematic screen all packed into one sleek device. Now, let's dive into what makes this phone the biggest leap in Samsung's history. The Samsung Galaxy Z Trifold features an enormous 7.8-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2x display that folds three ways, creating an experience unlike anything you've ever seen. Whether you're watching movies, multitasking, or gaming, this display gives you a crystal-clear, immersive view with a 120 Hz refresh rate and ultra-bright HDR 10+ visuals. The outside cover display is 6.2 inches, perfect for one-handed use, while the full unfolded view turns your phone into a productivity powerhouse. Under the hood, Samsung has packed the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip, designed for ultimate AI integration and seamless multitasking. This chip doesn't just boost performance. It learns from your usage patterns to optimize battery life and app speed, giving you AI that works smarter every second. Speaking of power, the 5,200 mAh dual-cell battery is engineered to last all day, and then some, with 65W fast charging that fills it up in under 30 minutes. That means less waiting, more doing. The cameras are where things get even more futuristic. The Z Trifold houses a 200MP main sensor, a 48MP ultra-wide, and a 12MP telephoto lens, all working together with Samsung's new AI-powered image engine. This phone doesn't just take pictures, it captures moments in lifelike detail. And when folded open, you can even use the rear camera as a selfie camera using the main display, giving you professional quality portraits that'll blow up your socials. Now here's where it gets crazy. The Trifold software. Running on Android 16 with Samsung One UI 8.5, this phone redefines multitasking. You can open up to 4 apps on one screen, drag and drop between them, or split your display any way you want. The AI assistant can even summarize articles, edit photos, or schedule tasks in real time. And Samsung didn't forget durability. The Trifold is built with Armor Aluminum 2.0 and Ultra-Thin Glass Plus, making it both tough and flexible, literally. The hinge mechanism has been redesigned for over 500,000 folds, which means this device will outlast your current phone easily. The launch date? Rumor has it Samsung is unveiling it in April 2026, and pre-orders will open shortly after. But trust me, you'll want to be first in line when this innovation hits the market. So, is the Galaxy Z Trifold just another foldable? Absolutely not. It's the phone that changes what mobile even means. But wait, there's one last surprise. Samsung is reportedly testing a limited edition transparent version of the Z Trifold that could reveal the internal folding mechanism, a collector's dream for true tech fans. Whether that version drops or not, this phone is already rewriting the future of tech. If you're as excited as I am, hit that like button because the next few months are going to be wild. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which place you're watching. I'd love to know. And stay tuned till the very end of my next video, because I might just reveal something Samsung doesn't want you to know yet.